I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun new unboxing for you guys featuring the brand new JuJuBe Tokidoki KAWAII CARNIVAL, as well as some of their newest Chromatics colors, which I'm obsessed with. So I think this is probably the most excited I've been to open a box from JuJuBe in quite a while. So I think that the KAWAII CARNIVAL is probably my new favorite Toki print. So I'm really excited to open it and see what my print placement is. Also, this print is releasing today, and I would love if you guys would shop JuJuBe with me. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you, and you guys can shop through that anytime. And everything that's in this box should be available on the website. So let's get started. Ooh, I'm so excited. Here we go. I cannot wait to see the watercolor in person. The Chromatics water was so pretty. You guys know I'm obsessed with aqua. So this color I just had to get a lot of. So here we go. I tried to get a little bit of each thing except for Pebble. I did not get any Pebble, so if you're here for that, I'm sorry. I don't have any of that. I just really preferred linen and water, so I got those. Oh, I can see part of it already. It is really pretty. I cannot see any of the Toki yet. Oh, this watercolor is so pretty. I'm gonna have to bring out my scissors to see how well it matches. Can you guys can already see how pretty this color is. And I'm gonna close my eyes so I don't see the rest of what's in here, because I don't wanna know my print placement yet. I just wanna go over each thing. Oh, I had to get a BFF in water, you guys. If anybody who follows my channel knows anything about me, it's that I'm obsessed with aqua. And if you don't believe me, check out this video here where I did all of my kitchen stuff in aqua. So when I saw this color come out, I was like, I have to have this in a BFF. It is so pretty. Oh, I love it. Look how gorgeous, you guys. And like I said, I have to get my scissors to see just how much of a match. Look at this. It matches my scissors. Which also means that it matches my kitchen appliances. So now I'm just gonna be able to wear my aqua wherever I go. I love it. And I just love this material, you guys. It's not the usual JuJuBe fabric, it is the Chromatics fabric. So it feels more fabric-y than, let's say, a regular JuJuBe bag, but I really like it. It's really easy to clean up too. So let's go ahead and open it up. I don't know if I mentioned it, but you guys have brushed gold hardware, which is super pretty. Go ahead and open it because I think, yeah, it's got like I want to say like a pale gold type of lining, which I think is very pretty with this particular color. Let me see here. I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's really pretty. You guys see that okay? It's really pretty. It's almost like a champagne-y shimmery gold. It's really pretty. Ooh. If you guys want to see a packing video on this, let me know, because I basically got the accessories for KAWAII CARNIVAL to go inside of this. So yeah, because I just know these are going to match so perfectly together. I'm going to put this right here so that when I pull out my KAWAII CARNIVAL, I can just immediately see how well they match. Okay. Next, what else do I have? I don't want to look at the KAWAII CARNIVAL yet. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes because it's like right there. Okay, so I got the B set. Here is the linen color. This is really pretty. I thought it was more of an ivory, but it feels almost on the verge of being like a very pale, creamy blush, which you guys know I'm obsessed with blush too. So I just feel like it has some pale pink undertones to it. Not saying it's pink, but also I think this is gonna look really good with the KAWAII CARNIVAL print. So this is it. Isn't that really pretty? It does have a natural linen color to it. I really like it. And I'm really curious about the Pebble color too, and I really wanted to get some of it, but I kind of ran out of funds to get all the things, but I wanted all the things. So this is a B set. You guys, it comes with 3 pieces. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. I also have a set in the watercolor. Now, I just want to clarify, it's not called watercolor. It's called water, but I don't know how else to say it when I'm talking about it. So I just call it the watercolor. And I would call this the linen color. Oh my gosh, there's something on my face. And this is the medium piece. Really pretty. I really wanted this one because I feel like no matter what bag I'm using, I feel like this would actually match with everything. And there's the small piece. Super cute. And once again, you guys, it has the brushed gold hardware and like the really shimmery, pretty gold lining. So, and I also got a bag in this color because I couldn't resist it, and it's in there somewhere. So I'll pull that out in a minute. Let's pull out the water, the set as well, because this is just, I had to get it. I just had to, because I want to wear this as a purse and stuff when I go out. Gorgeous. I'm not going to pull it out with all the pieces and everything, but the set comes with 3 pieces. You also get a shoulder strap and a wristlet strap, so you can definitely wear this as a purse. So that is linen and water. There we go. Super pretty. Oh, I love them. Okay. Okay. The next step, I'm going to go ahead and go through the Kawaii Carnival because that's next, and then the linen bag is underneath. Print placement time. Here we go. I don't know what's on top, but it feels like the Be Quick I ordered, I think. It's cute. I don't see Donatella, but it is really, really cute. I am loving the peach color on here, you guys. All the colors are just so cute. I gotta pull this out. One of my favorite print placements on this print is the Ferris wheel, and that is on the front and the back of my Be Quick. It's actually very well centered too. Like, I'll show you guys. It's really cute. There's so many fun characters. Look at this, you guys. And as you can see, like, right over here, this actually matches really, really cutely. Is cutely a word? I don't know, but it's really cutely matched with this print. So cute. And this is the back. As you can see, it almost has identical print placement. In fact, I think it is identical print placement on the front and the back, which is really cool. And also you have these adorable little charms. Can you guys see that? That is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna open it. I am loving these really pale pink zippers. Ooh, the lining is so pretty. The lining is like an orange creamsicle. Look at that, you guys. And then you have the, I don't want to say it's embossed, it's more like printed. Usually they're embossed, but this looks more like it's printed fabric for the lining. It's really, really cute. I really like this print. And you guys know, like, my favorite Toki prints are always pastel, and this has tons of the pastels, like mint, aqua, baby pink, baby blues, lavenders, like all the pretty colors. I love it. I love this print. What do you guys think? Do you love this print too? And I also want to know what your perfect print placement is on this print. All right, so that is the Be Quick, which also comes with a wrist strap and the crossbody strap as well. And the hardware is gold. I'll show you guys real quick. Hopefully you guys will be able to see. See that? It's really pretty with it. I really like it. So, okay. Loving this print. Super cute. I cannot wait to see it on a larger scale. I did get a Super B, which means I'll be able to see the entire thing. I just have to. I always have to get a Super B in my favorite Toki prints. I don't know why. All right, next. I think next is the Super B. So, I think this is the front. I'm so unlucky this time. But I mean, I got like perfect print placement of the Ferris wheel, but like, where is Donatella? She must be really hard to get on this print. But I mean, I've got lots of the Ferris wheel, or am I missing her? Like, oh, there she is. Oh, that's so cute. She's wearing like little bows in her hair and sunglasses. She's got her cell phone. Aw. All right, now is she on the front though? She's not. Oh, at the very bottom. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out so I can show you guys what she looks like. If you are a Donatella fan too, I'm sure you'll wanna know what she looks like. So, but like I said, I did get the Carnival Ferris wheel on the very front, which is one of my perfect print placements, so. Super cute. I actually really like the tags that come with this too. So here you go. Here's the large scale of the print, you guys. And then I will show you Donatella up close because she is at the very bottom. Let's find her real quick. Here she is. She is, well, I'm gonna show her on the back because I feel like I have a whole picture of her there. There she is. Right there. Do you see her? Isn't she cute? Love it. This is so cute. And I gotta show you the tags. I don't know why, but I think that it's just really cute with this bag. All right, so that is the Super Bee. Let's go ahead and open it up and see. Oh, I got a Sandy tag on this one. This is what she looks like there. Can you see? Ooh, I love this. I love using Super Bees for all kinds of things, you guys, especially travel. So there's the lining on this bag. Hopefully you guys can see okay. So cute. Love it. All right, so it's definitely like more vibrant than I expected. I think there's a lot more neon yellows in it than I expected too. But if you like that color, you are all set. Let's see what else I've got next. Oh, I have a bee set, you guys. This is the back. I have not seen the front yet. Here we go. Oh, I can't see the front. They always have the tag in the front, and that's like the important part. So here we go. I wonder if I got lucky with any of my Toki today. For the back, at least, I have the Ferris wheel. It's just really, really cute. I love that part. So the front, hey, I've got Sandy, and I've also got mozzarella and strawberry milk. So this is my front print placement. Not too bad, but not great. Oh, these are so cute. Look at these charms, you guys. I love how each bag has something different. All right, here we go. I got Donatella finally. She's a little chopped off, but she is there. See? Super cute. I love this one. And I especially love these two little bears that are holding hands that are wearing like Donatella outfits. Can you guys see them? They are so cute. I think that's also another one of my favorites. See what the small has. Oh, it's got perfect print placement Sandy and Moz, you guys. But I struck out today with the print placement for my perfect print placement, but it's okay. It's okay because it's still really, really cute. So I'm really happy overall. I cannot wait to pack up a bag with these. You guys want to see this bag packed up with these? Or do you want to see, I'll show you, my last bag. In this box is the linen midi backpack, and it's gorgeous. Oh, it's so pretty. I just love the gold hardware with this linen color, you guys. It is so classy, and I just feel like super farmhousey, which I love farmhouse style. So I feel like the linen color with the gold is very like farmhouse style. I don't know how to explain it, but that's how I feel, and I love it. Look how classy and simple and pretty that is. It's so pretty. Do you guys want to see a video on the midi backpack? Or do you want to see one on the BFF? I want you guys to comment down below and let me know. And I will be packing it up with some of either the linen and the water sets and some of the Kawaii Carnival. I think it's going to be so pretty with both. So let's go ahead and open this up and see how it looks. It's got that gold color. It's really pretty. I love the way the midi packs, you guys. You have lots of pockets and things. Hopefully you guys can see okay. I know my lighting's not the greatest today, but I'm gonna edit it so it's a little bit better. So that is my unboxing. I thoroughly enjoyed opening all these things, especially unboxing the Kawaii Carnival. Look at these colors together, you guys. Are they not perfect? I love them. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. And I would love if you guys would shop JuJuBe with me. Don't forget this is releasing today and it comes in so many more styles that I know you're gonna love. If you guys want to shop with me, I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below. And don't forget to check out the new Chromatics colors as well. They are just gorgeous and I highly recommend them. They are so pretty. Thanks for watching.